Joey's outfit, my outfit for today. Hashtag mom life. Guys, meet at the end. Tagiya sa lutong Pinoy. Tagiya sa lutong Pinoy. Sa lutong Pinoy, guys. Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. So it is Saturday and we have a few things to do today. I have an appointment at Footscray for my microdermabrasion at 3:30 in the afternoon, and then beforehand I'd like to get my nails done before I go to the microdermabrasion appointment, because guys, it's grown so much now that it is, you know, like every time I touch my hair it catches my hair and it drives me crazy. So I'm gonna go get my nails done first, and yeah, so we're going to Footscray. I'm still upstairs. I'm gonna go see Mimi, Daddy and Paris downstairs, but Daddy's not coming with us, guys, as always. He's got his own thing. Hello. Oh, it's too dark. Hello. Nice. Yummy. Yum. So you guys, I got the car running already now. Oh no, the engine running, not the car running. Yeah, and then we'll go. So I'll take you with us, guys. See you again soon. Say bye bye, Daddy. Bye, Daddy. See you later.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Where are we going? What's great? Say yes? I know. She's eating ice, guys. That's her favorite thing, ice. Tita. We run like where we are. Right here, guys. See, that's just assembling the pram as always. And come on, honey. Kita, take her out. So we just, ooh, it's too bright. We just parked at Footscray Market, so we might, it's too early, I don't know what time. Yeah, I think it's still 1:30, so we're gonna go get something to eat first at the Filipina restaurant, and then we go do our thing. Oh, what's wrong? Mommy. Sarah's now gonna go in the pram, guys. I'm gonna carry her. Yes. Joey's outfit, my outfit for today. Hashtag mom life, mom's life. I'm gonna go to Lutong Pinoy, guys, for lunch. May baby dito. Baby. Oh, what are you doing? Wait, get your bag, get your stroller. Oh, wait. Kana iuli na to. Ala, nang hilabot siya, guys. Sa dulaan sa dili. Sa lain bata. Anak. Paris. What's that? Snake. Guys, meet at the end. Tagiya sa lutong Pinoy. Tagiya sa lutong Pinoy. Sa lutong Pinoy, guys. Kumani madali, guys. Look for at the end.
Yes, kaya maka-discount mo, guys.
Discount. 0.5%.
Makita din yung tinarsing ko, discount.
Te, joke. Tinarsing nga
Joke lang, guys. Pero mura lang yun diri sa Lutong Pinoy, guys.
I-endorse din. Lutong Pinoy. sa nagkaangga sa kaya malagi ko ito may lang ang
Napagdan natin yan sa Australia gan. Dungan nyo. Dungan nag-join niya.
si
Ako pwede ka na anak sa yung likod sa una pagkanhin ako. Di na matagdaan minupan niyo. Nagigmino. Dalo ka nila.
So hi guys, I'm on my way to my microdermabrasion appointment. I was supposed to go get my nails done first guys, but yeah, they messaged me if I am able to come earlier, so instead of 3:30, they asked me if I can come 2:30 or 3, so I said I'll come at 2:30, so everything's finished and then I can go get my nails done. So yes guys, yeah, it's very hot. It's not actually very hot. It's just bright. It's not hot. I'm here guys. So hi again guys. I just finished with my micro and yes, my face feels so good right now. And I'll see if I can get my nails done. What time is it? Almost 3. It's 3. Yeah, maybe I can get my nails done for now guys. Then that's where I'm going. Venus. But the thing is, I think they've got people waiting. So guys, I decided to not do my nails anymore because they're so busy. And yeah, I'm not prepared to wait guys. Especially I've got Paris getting Sukina. So we're just gonna get back in the car and should we go home? Yeah, we'll wait for Atiana. Yeah, because Atiana's gonna go to our place later too guys, so we're gonna have dinner there together. So yes. So guys, we didn't end up doing my nails because they were so busy guys, so I said because I'm going to South Melbourne tomorrow, I'm just gonna do it there. So we just came home and wanted to get Paris to sleep, but yes. What is that, honey? Oh, guys, she hasn't been having a nap, and it's already 5 o'clock, guys.
Mommy,
You have to go to sleep, honey. Oh Lord. So we're just waiting for Ati, Anna, and Kuya Noel, guys, because they're gonna come here tonight, and we're gonna have dinner here. So we're just waiting for them, and hopefully Paris will have a nap.
eyes.
So hi again guys, I'm currently at the shops because we realized that we actually don't have any drinks left. So I'm just gonna grab some Coke. Okay, let's just grab this one. $2.75. And while I'm here, I'm just gonna grab some detergent powder as well because we need one for washing. So guys, I'm home now. So I just bought Coke. I already put it in the fridge. I'm gonna show you what I got from the shop as well. I've got chips because my bisita is here now. This Ate Ann. Kita mo sa inyo ganina guys, no? Nagiging sa market. Muna siya ang manager sa Lutong Pinoy.
Guys, so manager na ako guys na magpapasing restaurant.
So this is the second one guys. It's also packet of chips, and I also got one loaf of bread, and I've got what's this new detergent powder? Huh? Oh, ditubo. Muna ang one karon ang base, din na base. Kita buka na pakulor ka eh?
Wala ako nang nag-plancha.
Pakulor kayo. Ay, kulor sa ubos. So this is detergent powder guys for washing, and strawberry, and what's this? Nectarine for Paris, and chocolate. So that's it. Ate Anne's going to cook. What's this day?
Lumpia Shanghai.
Ikaw lagi mo?
Ako baka na.
Gahit kitiki. Guys, dala si ate anong sudan. Ti, unsa ni siya ti? Adobo? Chicken adobo and this one.
Beef caldereta.
Beef caldereta. Yum. Uy. Nagluto pa gid sila.
Gabalo na si ate.
So, just finished with our dinner, guys. It was so yummy. Napanabilin ko mga guys. Thank you sa sponsor. Thank you, te. Okay, sponsor, yes.
Sponsor.
Sponsor sa panihapon.
Major sponsor.
But yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. Please like this video if you do. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, guys, to be a part of this family. I would like you all on board. And I'll see you all, guys, in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't, be... Ikaw, ti. Pailag yun sa tiyan. Okay. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't...
Maluding